welcome to the digital product school area of Unique Code. We have still one startup here, although they attended the program 1 year ago. They tell me every month they will move out, but still they're here. The team is Glocally.
Hi Michi, nice to meet you. Hey.
Servus. Fabian, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
So what are you up to right now?
We're preparing a launch of a new customer. So that's basically, getting the integrations ready, launching it, the operations. So that's actually what we're working on right now.
And what are you launching?
So a new fashion retailer, who is going to deliver all their parcels via Glocally. So Glocally is basically solving the problem of e-commerce delivery. When, how, and in what way the parcel arrives to your door. We're solving this problem by providing time slots, live tracking, and also obviously faster delivery and sustainable. So this is what we're doing. Yeah.
Sounds awesome. How do you do the sustainable part?
So basically we have a very, I would say, new approach to logistics in general. So we basically have the logistics in-house. So we are in control of the fleet, and we have cargo bikes, for example, for the more urban areas, and also e-vans. So vans with electric engine, which we're charging. So we have our own fleet and also the technology for integrating directly with e-commerce retailers, and therefore providing the whole supply value chain in e-commerce logistics. Yeah.
Cool. The last time I saw one of your bikes out there, seems like you have some more customers. So how is business going?
Yeah, exactly. So actually, like, we launched operations directly from here, but now it's like too much volume. So we have opened a new hub in Munich. This is basically where all the operations are processed. So we get the parcels there, we sort them and deliver them. But we're still here, like with programming with customers and like the office support. So, also hiring in those categories right now. So in operations as well as in software development, in order to provide the infrastructure, the technology infrastructure, but also the operational execution and setup of the processes. So this is actually where we're really pushing a lot of energy and resources into it in order to get even more volume through.
Cool. Like, I saw that you hiring more software engineers list.
Yeah.
And I was a bit sad that you haven't asked me when I would be interested.
We thought that you're already quite occupied. So. But we will consider that for our future jobs.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So why don't you show us your product?
Yeah, sure. I can show you a piece of it at least, because we have retailers, shoppers, also drivers. So it's quite like a complex infrastructure. But this is now the view of a shopper, so who receives the parcel. So the user flow would be that you are on the retailer's website, and after choosing us in the checkout option, you will get a notification either via WhatsApp or via SMS from us with a link to our app, and there basically you then have the option to modify the delivery. So for example, if your baby's sleeping, then you can choose like, hey, please just
awesome.
Don't ring the doorbell. So that's something like a service of customer level that we want to bring into the delivery. You can even leave comments, and here now you can choose, for example, different dates and also delivery time slots. So you can basically modify the date and the time when the parcel arrives. You can also track the delivery with our GPS live tracking. So you see where the driver is right now. So this is a short overview. And also obviously, like in edge cases, if it doesn't work or something, then we provide via our app customer support, so you can directly interact with us, and then we can find individual solution. Yeah.
Awesome. I have one last question to ask you. Why do you call yourself Glocally?
It's like the combination of global and local. So e-commerce is very, very global, and you have very centralized global structures with a lot of parcel flows throughout the whole world, basically. And our approach is that we go into this system, which is basically global, but then at a local layer in cities. We dock into the global system by getting all those parcels from the very big merchants, but we are providing the local infrastructure in order to really accelerate the user experience, which is basically the last mile. So the moment when you order something until you get it or you want to return it. So this is the whole basically value chain that we're taking on a local level.
You still need to improve your logo though?
Yeah, we're right now hiring a designer, so everything step by step.